let us consider these both are my students, and I requested both of them to come to my home for lunch. I invited them to my home for lunch. Okay, John came. John came. Ethan also came to my home. Very good. Both the people came to my home for lunch. Now, what I am doing, I am serving only John. I am serving food only to John. Now, what happened, after some time, John recognized that Ethan is also there. After some time, John recognized that Ethan is also present in the home, and both are same students. I mean, same priorities, same batch. So, what John will be informing to me, sir, I can wait. I already have some food. I can wait. Please serve to Ethan. He is also your student only. He is also having the same priority like me. Please, you can, if you want, you can serve to Ethan. So, John will inform to me that he can wait. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Sir, I can wait. I can wait. Please start serve to Ethan. That decision will be taken by whom? That decision, like whether I need to serve to, continue to John or else stop serving John and continue to Ethan. Who is supposed to take the decision? Me. That is Kishan. Are you understanding the point? Now, let me remove this. And now, I'm going with thread 1 and thread 2. Two threads are there. Okay. And now, in the place of Kishan, I'm going to write thread scheduler. Now, whenever the thread scheduler, see, for example, two threads are there. Okay, thread scheduler is giving thread 1 to start. Okay, thread 1 is executing. But whenever thread 1 came across yield method, thread 1 came across yield method. So what thread 1 will be doing, thread 1 will inform to the thread scheduler that it can wait. It's okay to shift its processor to the other waiting threads which are having the same priority. It's okay, sir. If you want to shift, you can shift. That information will be given to the thread scheduler. Now, whether to shift the processor or not, that decision will be taken by the thread scheduler. Are you understanding the point here, guys? Means, let me come back to the program here. Okay, let me just try to. Okay, just a second. Now, extends thread. Very first program we have written this one only. Public void run method. No need to write the program. Just listen. Public void run method. And here simply I'm going to write here. This is class A. Class A like this. Let me come back to my program like this. Okay. Now, right now, I'm using join method. Okay, if you are using join method, right now if I execute my program, tell me which thread will be getting executed first? Main thread or class A thread? Come on. That is correct. Class A thread will be getting executed first. Okay, I'll not use join method. In the place of join method, I'm going to use yield method. Just in the place of join method, I'm using yield method. Now, what happens, whenever we are using yield method, whenever the current executing thread came across yield method, it will inform to the thread scheduler that it's okay to shift its process to the other waiting threads with the same priorities. But that decision will be taken by the thread scheduler. So we are not sure. We are not sure that 100% class A thread will be getting executed. We are not sure. We are not sure. There may be a chance of class B thread also will be getting executed. Why? Because here, which one is involving? Thread scheduler. Am I clear with the concept here, guys? If you 100% want class A thread to be getting executed, then which method we need to use? Join method. I believe it's clear, guys. Please write a small point for me. Write a small point for me. Yield method. Not on a small point. Not on a small point. Yield method provides a mechanism. Yield method provides a mechanism to inform the thread scheduler. Yield method provides a mechanism to inform the thread scheduler that the current thread is that the current thread is willing to that the current thread is willing to hand over the current use of processor hand over the current use of processor to the other waiting thread to the other waiting thread. Dot. Enough. To the other waiting thread. Enough. And program, previously you have written join method program, right? In that program, just try to write just one more line. That is yield method. Remember, yield method is which method? Yield method is which method? Static method. Please, please. Just try to write like this. That's it. Not more than that. In the previous program, you have already written join method. Just in the place of join method, try to write yield. Enough. And tomorrow we are going to discuss about synchronization concept, synchronization and deadlock. I mean, both are little bit complicated concepts. So please don't miss tomorrow's session. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you.